So here's how you can send 4K video without losing quality. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it depends on where you want to send it, if it's for someone else or just between your devices. Because if you, for example, have a Mac computer or like an Apple device, you can always just open up the Photos app, tap on Share, and use the AirDrop, which will transfer it over the air in full resolution and quality, and you don't have to worry about anything. Also, if it's transferring between your own devices, you can also connect an external storage like SSD or USB, SD card, whatever, connect it to the iPhone, and you can always open up the photos, tap share, save to files, and just literally save it to that location, right? So if you want to just transfer locally between your devices, using either AirDrop or the external storage is, I believe, the best choice. However, if you want to send it to someone else, perhaps you have like a 4K footage which you want to share with someone, and in order to get it or share the full resolution stuff, make sure that you use some sort of cloud storage for it. You can use something like Google Drive where you just upload the thing to the storage, like, to the folder right there, and you just set up the sharing, like you click on manage access and make sure that anyone with the link can view the file, right, and access it, and then just copy the link and send it over email or text message or whatever else you want. But this makes it very useful. It should not really compress the footage. My experience is that you're basically getting the full quality file. So let me know if there is some very specific use case which you are like trying to solve for. Perhaps I'll be able to make an updated video about it. But for now, that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and more videos like this one, and I'll catch you then.